Shocking fact, 78% of millionaires can lose wealth due to inadequate asset protection. Let me show you the insurance secrets they don't teach in Investing 101 or in the education system. First, umbrella insurance is your best friend. It's dirt cheap and gives you millions in extra liability coverage above your regular policies. Think of it as a shield against lawsuits that could wipe out your portfolio. Next, maximize your property insurance. Most people undervalue their assets. They focus on the cheapest price, not best coverage. Get replacement cost coverage, not actual cash value. The difference could save you hundreds of thousands after a loss. Work with an insurance agent to find the right solution for you. Don't forget professional liability insurance if you're self-employed or consult. One lawsuit could destroy everything you've built. This coverage costs about $1,000 yearly, but protects millions in assets. The hidden gem? Disability insurance. Your biggest asset is your future earning potential. If you can't work, this keeps money flowing. Get it while you're young and healthy. It's way cheaper. Here's a pro tip. Consider an LLC for your investments. It separates your personal assets from business ones. If something goes wrong with an investment property, your personal wealth has protection. Talk with your lawyer and accountant about the pros and cons. Last crucial step. Document everything. Take photos of valuables, keep digital copies of policies, and review coverage annually. Insurance gaps are where wealth disappears. When you leave a corporate job to become an entrepreneur, some people forget these benefits and protections that were included in their group benefits packages. Don't forget. Remember, building wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it. Smart insurance protection is your financial fortress. The richest people know this secret. Defense is just as important as offense when it comes to wealth.